There was a snake that crawled over a sharp saw and was caught. In anger, the snake wrapped around the saw with its thick body and proceeded to squeeze the life out of the saw. With each angry squeeze, it felt more pain, but continued because it wasn't going to let the saw get away with the pain it caused it. The snake, refusing to let go of the saw, eventually died, not knowing the whole time he needed to let go of the initial pain and focus on its future and where it was going. Instead, the snake, unfortunately, lost its life and didn't even see it coming.
Follow Jamaican True Story.
Control your anger. Forgive those that hurt you, and don't give people or things power over you. It ultimately kills you, not the one who hurt you. Let it go. Share this message to someone who needs to hear it.